In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fill in your DV lottery form. The Diversity Visa Lottery, also known as the Green Card Lottery, is a U.S. government program that grants permanent residency to individuals from countries with historically low immigration rates to the U.S. To fill the DV lottery form, simply head to any browser. For this case, I'm going to use Google Chrome. In the search bar, type in DV lottery. You will see this very first website of the U.S. Department of State. I will leave this link in the video description. On this very first page, click directly on Begin Entry. You will have to enter this authentication code. Once done, click on Submit. You will land onto this electronic diversity visa entry form. On part 1, you will have to enter your name. Enter your family name first. Proceed by your first name and lastly your middle name. If you don't have a middle name, click right here on No Middle Name. Right here on Gender, choose your gender if you're either male or female. You just have to check onto your gender. Now on the birth date. Start with the month, the day and lastly the year you were born in. The next step is to enter the city you were born. And if you're not sure of the city you were born in, just check right here on Birth City Unknown. Now on country where you were born, select the exact country you were born in. Now on this next part of country of eligibility for the DV program, if you're born in Australia and it's eligible for the program, you just have to leave this part as it is. But if you live in Australia yet you're not born from there, you have to enter your country where you're born to make sure it is eligible for the program. Hope you understand that. On this other next part, choose your photo. Make sure your photo meets all the requirements of the program. Moving on to the next step, make sure to enter your mailing address correctly. Enter your address line 1 and 2. The in care of option is optional. Enter your city or town. Enter your district, county or state. On postal code, enter it right here. And if you don't have it, check on No Postal Code. Lastly, enter your country. This will be a country of where you currently reside. On the other step, enter your country where you currently reside. On phone number, this is optional. You can enter it or leave it. Now make sure to enter your email address. This should be an active email address. You will receive all information about your form via that email address. On educational level, check your level. If you have a high school degree, tap on high school degree. Put in mind that you must at least have a minimum of a high school diploma. For any selected educational level, you may want to provide your credentials that approve your status once you're selected as a winner of the lottery. Now moving on to your marital status, if you're not married, check on unmarried. If you're married, check on these other options. On number of children, enter the number of biological children you have. Once done, tap on Continue. You will then have to go through all your information and see if it's the exact right information you have entered. If you may want to do any editing, tap here to get back and edit your information. Now once everything is done, click on Submit. Your information will successfully get received. Make sure to print out this form and keep it for further reference. It contains your confirmation number which you may need once you're selected as a winner. Alright guys, that's it for today's tutorial. Good luck.